Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to see that the scenario bit into question for PySpark environment. So here I am going to choose one simple and most popular question that arrive in many interviews. So that is a very popular question. So we are having one data frame that contains two columns, student name and marks, and these student names are repeated and marks also sometimes repeated. So we need to have perform two tasks here. The first task is, so based on the student name we are going to list out all the available marks in terms of list, and second task is the same thing similar to the first task itself, but we need to avoid the duplicate marks in the particular student. So this is our problem definition. So for that I am going to use two important concepts, that is a new concept, collect list and collect set. So the collect list is similar to the list that can be aggregate the values based on a specific column, maybe for different values. Then collect set is also same thing, but it is going to avoid the duplicate elements or duplicate data. So list and set, these are two important data structures to achieve our solution. So coming to the first step, we need to install the PySpark in the Google Colab environment. And second one is I need to import the various modules that are required for the solution. Spark session is mainly used to create the Spark environment, and I'm going to use some SQL functions that are used for the that can be used for collect list and collect set. So right now I'm having one student data, that student data CSV. So where I'm having student name and marks, so that is already displayed in the problem definition. Same data set I have created in a CSV file. Then I am going to display it here using that spark.read.csv. I can read the data from the CSV file and I will assign to the data frame. So df1 contains the content of CSV file. So next there are two steps here. I need to use the collect list for getting the solution. The first one is df1.groupby. So I am going to apply the group by because what I need is I need the student name in front of all his marks, so that as per the data structure available for collect list, I have to group the student name, and based on that we are going to get all the marks. Then I am going to extract the marks from the collect list that are aggregated together, and for that I am going to assign the new column name as a collect list marks. So here what happened, we are going to aggregate the marks values in terms of list itself. It is not that we are going to perform some operation on the aggregation operation. We are just merging the list together as in terms of aggregation operation. Second thing is same thing. So to avoid the duplicate values, what should I do is, instead of list I can use the set function, correct set function, that can going to achieve the duplicate removal in the Spark environment. So again same thing, group by student name, aggregating all the information, collect set of marks alias collect set marks. So this is a new column name for the particular data frame. So the data frame 2 contains all the student information with this marks with duplicate values. df3 contains the student names by removing duplicate values. So this is a way we can achieve the simple mechanism, simple technique. So using collect list and collect set, it is possible. So to do certain things, to aggregate certain things based on the particular column, so what we can do, always we can use the collect list, so that can give all the related information available in the table, so in terms of list. But the difference between list and set is the same thing. List contains all the values, but set contains only identical values. So in that sense we can achieve the solution. I hope you understand the problem and its solution. Thank you for watching my video.